Just want to do a quick review on the tire service that Tesla provides. I was driving and made a turn too sharp and ended up hitting a curb with my rear tire, and it put a dent in the rim and also just punctured the tire. The car is only a couple weeks old, so it's pretty sad because the tire got really messed up. I got this warning on my dash and could feel that something was off with the driving, so I pulled over right away and then got out of the car to take a look and noticed that there was that punctured tire and also a little dent in the rim. So I got on my phone and I got to the Tesla app and I pressed the button for roadside assistance. It was really easy to work with. Once I pressed that button, it gave me some choices. Basically was saying, what type of problem do you have with your car? And one of the choices is for a flat tire. So when you press that one, then it asks a few more questions like, well, which tire is affected, and gives you kind of a diagram of what your car looks like. And you press that button, and then I believe there was one other screen after that. You send it, and then almost right instantly you'll get a text that comes in onto your screen, and it's saying that the request has been received. We're working with it. We're going to dispatch help shortly. If we need any more information, a Tesla representative will reach out to you via SMS. An agent is now reviewing your request and will dispatch help soon. And it was really soon. It was almost instantly. It looks like you're in our mobile tire service area. And they're saying, we can come out to you and fix the tire for you, just like if you went to our service center. And then they confirm which tire is the problem tire, so they can provide the proper pricing. So I said it's the passenger side rear tire that came with the car. So thanks. Our pricing would be $78 to repair it and $322.50 for replacement if needed. Would you like to proceed with scheduling mobile service? Our provider can bring an extra tire with them as well in case it cannot be repaired. It looks like the next available appointment would be tomorrow morning. And I let them know that I was in a bad area. I couldn't leave the car there. So they said, no problem, we're going to bring someone out there who will give you a loaner tire, which is pretty cool. They're working on this too, where they can have more people available so they don't even have to do this step. But I thought this was a really cool step. They said we're going to schedule that for you for tomorrow to do the repair, but we'll bring someone out there within 70 minutes to do the repair, or to give you the loaner tire. And they said the mobile tire has been scheduled for tomorrow morning to do the repair, and your loaner wheel will be there in the ETA. They actually got there pretty fast. Instead of 70, it was more like 40 minutes. Here's the guy with the tow truck, and what he did is he just came out with an exact copy of the damaged tire, the same rim, same tire, and he just jacked up the car and took the bad one off and put on a loaner. Here's the loaner one. It was just an exact match. And then I put the bad one in my trunk and just drove home. So it only took a few minutes to get it all rectified. And then on the way home, I got this warning was showing that the tire pressures were all messed up. But that's just because there wasn't a sender that was linked to the car in the new tire. So don't worry about that. The car did fine. It just had that warning thing all the way home. There's no problem with it driving, though. It just was the computer couldn't talk to the new sender. So then, very next morning, got a call or a text early in the morning from Josh that he'd be there between 11 and 1. He texted about 7:30 in the morning, and he got there right about at 11 o'clock. He let me know about 15 to 20 minutes before he was going to arrive. I sent him a picture of the rim, asked him whether needed a new rim or not, and he felt from the picture that probably you would not need a new rim. He couldn't tell for sure, but he said, I'll be there and we can check it out. And when he got there, he's really professional and very competent and was able to tell that it would be fine. It was just a small cosmetic damage. It didn't really damage the rim. So here is the Tesla, and in the background we can see the truck that he pulled up in, and it's got a bunch of spare tires, and he went right to work. He jacked up the car, took off the loaner wheel. I gave him the damaged wheel, and he was able to take it to his truck, and then within, probably about 15 minutes, he had replaced with a brand new tire, and then wheeled it back and just bolted on the new tire. And then this is just showing the tire pressures were right back up to normal. I'm really impressed with their service, though. Very professional, very fast, and really made it easy for me as the customer. And here is the new tire on the rim. Still have that little cosmetic damage, but the tire does great, and I was very happy with their service and professionalism. Thanks so much for watching our video, and please subscribe when you get a chance, and also hit the notification bell so we can send you lots more videos just like this one.